Hello guys, today I'll be making a Madlibs in Python. This is a super simple Python project for anyone who is just starting out. So without further ado, let's get started. First, what you want to do is make a folder. I made mine already, called Madlibs. You can name it whatever you want. Inside there, you gotta name a file. I named mine main.py. It could be anything you want as long as it has a py at the end. So without further ado, let's get started to the video. Alright, first thing is a variable called color. You'll be needing this later on. You're going to equal that to an input, parentheses, quotation marks. Inside the input, you put enter a color. Next one is going to be plural noun, right? Equals input, quotation marks, enter a plural noun, space, and after all these responses you want to put a space for the person to type it out. And then the last one's gonna be celebrity. Celebrity. Oops, spelled it wrong. There you go. Equal input parentheses equation. There you go. Enter a celebrity, and then their name, space. Alright, now you got that. What you want to do is now print out the responses of the person that they're going to type in, and the color and the plural noun. So we're going to put the first one, which is going to be the color. So print parentheses, quotation marks, say roses are space, comma, and the color. Alright, the variable color, print parentheses, quotation marks. Now this is where you gotta pay attention. So we're not gonna have to put quotation marks right now. We're gonna put plural noun space plus, not equal, plus space. Well, I don't need a space. Quotation marks, space R blue. That space will be before the R blue is very important. And now last one, print parentheses, quotation marks, I hate, right? Boom, comma, space, and then the celebrity variable. Now with this, that's it. All of that, 6 lines just to make the world's most simplest Madlibs. Now we'll be able to run it. I'm going to run it right now. Run Python file on terminal. Enter a color. I'm gonna name it pink. And then for some reason, feet. Celebrity, I'll say Adam Levine, I guess. So as you can see here, we got roses are pink, feet are blue, I hate Adam Levine. And that's it. Simple as that. You have the world's most simplest Madlibs. On top of that, the easiest project for you to learn how how variables like color and plural can be put into print, which are super easy to do. Thank you guys for joining in. I'll see you guys next time.